In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do a bent over row with one of these looped elastic resistance bands. Now, firstly, by no means am I saying this is a better exercise than doing a barbell or a dumbbell. However, if you are looking for a back exercise, you're doing home workouts, for example, with a resistance band, this is a fantastic exercise. Now, the reason why it's really good is because one, you can do resistance bands anywhere you want, and there's so many different muscles worked in this exercise. So you've got the latissimus dorsi, the back of the shoulder, so your rear deltoid, and also muscles in between the shoulder blades, such as your mid and lower trapezius and your rhomboids. Now, to start the exercise, what you want to do is lay out the band on the floor. The bands all come in different resistances, so make sure, one, you've got a band that you can stand up tall with, so it's not too tough where you can't even get into the start position, and you don't want a band that's so loose that you're doing the repetitions and not feeling any engagement. Now, I'm going to step onto the band with the middle of my foot. From here, I bring my arms to my sides, I'm going to squat down, and the ends of the band are going to be in my hands as I come all the way up. Now, think of bum to the back of the room, and as you're bringing the bum to the back of the room, you're bending the knees, and you're going to start off with your hands in line with your knees. From this position, chest up, head neutral, and I want you to bring your elbows back into your sides by retracting back, and really squeeze your shoulder blades. Slowly back down. Don't use the hips at all. Keep that set and stable position. As you row back, big squeeze of the shoulder blades and slowly back down. In terms of breathing, breathing in, breathing out. Make sure you're always pausing at the top of the movement and you're really trying to retract those shoulder blades, pinch them together as you do each repetition. That's how you can do a bent over row with a resistance band, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and reps.